see skin yae kana a little bit different, but no musiari. Nama ite kurio bokima da kimo samaro. Mama na moete kurukare chingeni nama ite. So I want to honor him today too, because if it wasn't for him, we've been together for 15 years. Yeah, if you're together for somebody for 15 years, that's a long time. But he's been there, he stood by my side through all of the ups and downs. I appreciate you, I love you, and I honor you today. And my children as well, Jada, Ray, and Jordan. So, it's not easy to stand right behind a strong woman and let her do her thing. So thank you. To my siblings, my family, the backbone of my life, thank you for standing by me through every step of this journey. So, this journey coming back, this moment feels surreal. As I look around, I see faces of people who have shaped who I am. The neighbors, the friends, the teachers. She reminded me that she was my primary teacher. And I was very impressed that she still remembers me. Who have invested in me and nurtured my potential. Coming home to Nyamira is not just a celebration of where I am today. It's a deep acknowledgement of where I have come from. This soil is sacred to me. It is where I learned the values of hard work, humility, and resilience. It's where I first dreamed of a better future, not just for myself, but for our people. Today, I return as a proud daughter of this land, committed to giving back and ensuring that the doors, when I pass and those doors are open. And of the opportunities I walk through remains open for many others to follow. So tonight you can walk through this door. I'm on tonight with that point. Thank you. Tonight you can walk through this door and close it behind me. I want to see our young ladies running for offices.